Right now, a Ram 1500 Tungsten costs $91,000, and for that money you get leather seats, a big screen, and a recalled engine. One of the trucks on this list has rear seats that heat, ventilate, and massage the passengers for $45,000. Another one was built using a Ford engine, then wrapped in a luxury interior Ford refuses to give Americans, and sells for $20,000. And the number one truck on this list transforms from a luxury SUV into a pickup truck at the press of a single button for $30,000. The US government calls it unfair competition. Your dealership calls it a threat. We call it the truth. These are the 9 Chinese luxury trucks that make American trucks look embarrassingly cheap, starting with number 9. Number 9. GWM Power Luxury Edition, $28,000. American mid-size trucks like the Toyota Tacoma and Ford Ranger are notorious for having cheap, hollow, plastic-heavy interiors unless you spend well over $60,000 on a top-tier trim. Great Wall Motors looked at that standard and completely humiliated it with the Power Luxury Edition. Available globally for around $28,000, this truck proves that a rugged body-on-frame exterior does not require a miserable cabin experience. Instead of cheap vinyl and hard plastic dials, the cabin is wrapped in soft-touch materials, diamond-quilted leather seating, and a massive floating digital display. It features a power sunroof, a high-definition 360-degree camera system, and an electronic gear selector mated to a world-class ZF 8-speed transmission. You get the ruggedness of a mid-size workhorse, but a cabin that feels more like a premium European SUV. GWM is actively stealing buyers in Australia and South Africa who are sick of paying a premium for outdated interiors, giving them a highly refined cabin for roughly half the price of an American equivalent. But if you want to see the ultimate irony of American truck manufacturing, wait until you see the truck at number 8. Number 8, JMC Grand Avenue, $20,000 to $25,000. This truck is the ultimate slap in the face to the American consumer. Jangling Motors Corporation, or JMC, actually has a deep joint venture partnership with Ford. To build the Grand Avenue, JMC utilized a proven body-on-frame chassis and equipped it with the exact same 2.3-liter turbocharged EcoBoost engine found in the American Ford Ranger. But that is where the similarities end. While Ford strips down the base Ranger interior to maximize profit, JMC threw away the cheap plastics and built a luxury cabin that American buyers are completely denied. Starting around $20,000, the Grand Avenue features a gorgeous high-end interior. It boasts a 12-inch floating center touchscreen, a fully digital instrument cluster, brushed metal accents, and premium two-tone leather seats with power adjustments. It utilizes an electronic gear selector and an advanced voice command system, creating an environment that feels light years ahead of domestic base models. Ford literally provided the mechanical heartbeat for this truck, yet JMC managed to wrap it in a far superior, more luxurious interior for a fraction of what Ford charges in the States. However, if you want authentic Swedish luxury in your pickup truck, the vehicle at number 7 offers exactly that. Number 7. Geely Radar Horizon, $28,000 to $32,000. Geely is a massive global powerhouse that owns Volvo, and they ruthlessly applied that high-end Swedish engineering to the pickup truck market. The Radar Horizon is the upgraded high-performance all-wheel drive version of the RD6, and it starts around $28,000. While the American lifestyle truck market forces you to endure the bare-bones interior of a Ford Maverick, the Radar Horizon surrounds you with genuine Scandinavian luxury. Because it is a unibody electric vehicle pushing a brutal 422 horsepower, the NVH, noise, vibration, and harshness levels inside the cabin are virtually non-existent. You sit in deeply contoured premium eco-leather seats surrounded by soft-touch dashboard materials that perfectly mimic a $70,000 Volvo XC90. It features a massive panoramic sunroof that floods the cabin with natural light, dual 12.3-inch high-definition screens, and an intelligent climate control system. Geely essentially built an ultra-fast, highly capable electric luxury SUV and simply chopped the back off to add a bed. American buyers are forced to accept that affordable means cheap, but the Radar Horizon proves that is an absolute lie. While Geely focuses on Swedish minimalism, the hybrid truck at number 6 utilizes massive screens to dominate the luxury tech space. Number 6. BYD Shark, $53,400. We have talked about the BYD Shark's incredible 430 horsepower hybrid drivetrain before, but its true weapon against the $90,000 American supertrucks is its cabin technology. Priced at $53,400 just across the border in Mexico, the Shark does not just perform like a high-end vehicle. It actively spoils the driver. BYD completely rejected the outdated analog dials that American automakers cling to. The centerpiece of the Shark's interior is a massive signature 12.8-inch central touchscreen. But unlike fixed domestic screens, this display physically rotates from landscape to portrait mode at the touch of a button, perfectly optimizing navigation routes or media playback. The driver gets an exclusive 10.25-inch LCD digital cluster, and the entire cabin is brought to life with a highly customizable ambient LED lighting system. You unlock the truck using an NFC digital key on your smartphone, step into premium synthetic leather seating with orange contrast stitching, and drive using a fighter jet-style electronic shifter. The build quality, panel gaps, and software responsiveness rival top-tier German luxury sedans, completely exposing the lazy cabin design of the standard American half-ton. But if you want a truck that mirrors the quiet luxury of a Maybach, our number 5 spot is going to make you furious. Number 5, JACT9 Hunter PHEV. $40,000 to $45,000. International buyers are taking $40,000, the exact amount of money that barely buys a used cloth seat work truck in America, and driving off the lot in the JACT9 Hunter. While the exterior of the T9 looks like an armored, aggressive military vehicle, the interior is a masterclass in executive-level refinement. JACT Motors engineered the cabin to isolate the driver from the outside world. The centerpiece is a massive 10.4-inch portrait-style infotainment screen seamlessly integrated into a dashboard wrapped in soft leather and brushed aluminum accents. The physical toggle switches look and feel like they were pulled directly from an Audi, but the real luxury lies in the seating. The T9 features deeply bolstered, diamond-stitched leather seats that provide Maybach-level comfort, offering power adjustments and intense heating for both the driver and passenger. When operating in pure electric mode, the dual-motor hybrid system ensures the cabin remains whisper-quiet, allowing the premium surround sound audio system to shine. You get the commanding, elevated driving position of a heavy-duty off-road rig, with the refined, hushed comfort of a luxury suite. As infuriating as that is, wait until you see the electric truck at number 4 that features front seats that fold into an actual bed. Number 4, Maxus e-tron 9. $55,000. Recently unveiled as the first all-electric 4x4 pickup truck for the European market, the Maxus e-tron 9 is a $55,000 technological masterpiece that makes American electric trucks look fundamentally unimaginative. Pushing 442 horsepower from its dual motors, the e-tron 9 rides on a standard, highly advanced air suspension system. This allows the truck to automatically lower itself for easy highway cruising, ensuring a silky smooth luxury ride quality that traditional leaf-sprung trucks simply cannot match. But the interior is where the e-tron 9 truly humiliates the competition. Maxus designed the cabin to function as a mobile luxury lounge. It features 8-way electrically adjustable front seats finished in premium leather, equipped with intensive heating, ventilation, and active massage functions. But here is the ultimate flex. At the push of a button, those front seats fold completely flat, seamlessly connecting with the rear bench to create an almost perfectly flat sleeping area. Furthermore, the rear wall of the cabin features a powered mid-gate that drops down, extending the cargo bed directly into the cabin for hauling massive items. It combines the mechanical ingenuity of a transforming work truck with the massage-equipped luxury of an S-Class. If you think air suspension belongs strictly on $90,000 trucks, the full-size beast at number 3 completely shatters that illusion. Number 3, Foton Tunland, VA9, $23,000 to $30,000. To get active air suspension on a full-size American truck, you are forced to spend well over $85,000 on a Ram Limited or an F-150 Platinum. The Foton Tunland V9 starts at $23,000. It is a massive full-size hybrid beast that entirely exposes that extortionate pricing model. Starting at a genuinely offensive base price and fully loading out under $30,000, Foton delivers a luxury experience that physically dwarfs standard pickups. Underneath the chassis, Foton equipped the V9 with a highly sophisticated multi-link rear axle and a fully active air suspension system. This mechanical luxury allows the truck to float over potholes and adjust its ride height on the fly. Inside the cabin, it is an absolute bloodbath for domestic base models. The V9 surrounds you with ultra-premium quilted leather, a massive 14.6-inch floating center infotainment screen, and a fully digital driver's display. It even features Level 2 autonomous driving technology, including adaptive cruise control and lane-keeping assist, allowing for near-effortless highway cruising. For the price of a stripped-down economy car, you are getting a full-size diesel hybrid with an air ride suspension and a luxury interior. But if you want a vehicle that blurs the line between a high-end luxury SUV and a pickup truck, our number 2 spot is terrifyingly innovative. Number 2, Chang'an Nevo E07, $30,000 to $40,000. Also known as the Deepal E07, this $30,000 to $40,000 vehicle is completely unclassifiable by American standards. Chang'an built a highly advanced multi-truck, a vehicle that drives and feels like a flagship luxury SUV, but physically transforms into a pickup truck. Instead of an open bed, the rear features a sleek panoramic glass roof. At the push of a button, that glass roof electronically slides forward, the tailgate drops, and the vehicle instantly becomes a highly capable pickup. But the interior is where the true financial outrage lives. Stepping inside the E07 feels like sitting inside a high-end futuristic concept car. It is wrapped head to toe in Napa leather. It abandons traditional instrument clusters entirely, utilizing a massive windshield head-up display that projects your speed and navigation directly onto the glass. The center features a 15.4-inch rotating screen, and the cabin is outfitted with an 18-speaker surround sound system. Pushing nearly 600 horsepower in its top trim, you're getting supercar acceleration, transforming utility, and absolute cutting-edge Napa leather luxury for the price of a base model American crossover. If you think that is insane, nothing prepares you for the sheer terrifying luxury of the absolute tungsten killer at number 1. Number 1, Great Wall Shanghai Cannon, $33,000 to $45,000. Forget the Ford F-150 King Ranch and completely forget the deeply overpriced Ram Tungsten. The Great Wall Shanghai Cannon, also known globally as the Cannon Alpha, is a factory-built production truck that defies all logic, reason, and financial sense. Great Wall set out to build the most luxurious pickup truck on earth, and they priced it starting at a laughable $33,000. Under the hood, it offers a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged V6 or a highly advanced plug-in hybrid system, both mated to a silky smooth 9-speed automatic transmission. But the interior is where American automakers should be genuinely terrified. The cabin is an absolute palace. It features genuine wood trim, brushed metal speaker grills, and a massive 14.6-inch central display. The seats are wrapped in premium, supple leather, and the front seats are fully electrically adjustable, heated, ventilated, and feature multi-point massage functions. But the ultimate flex that destroys the Ram Tungsten is in the second row. Great Wall did not forget the passengers. The rear seats in the Shanghai Cannon are also electrically adjustable. They recline up to 33 degrees, and they too are heated, ventilated, and feature active massage functions. You're getting executive limousine seating in the back of a pickup truck. It even features a split-opening barn door tailgate for easy access to the bed. The highest tier of automotive luxury ever put into a pickup truck costs exactly $45,000 fully loaded. And thanks to the outdated chicken tax designed purely to protect domestic profits, America will never get to drive it. The American truck market is heavily relying on a monopoly to charge you $90,000 for luxury features that the rest of the world considers standard. You are being systematically overcharged and completely underdelivered. If you want to see the video where we break down the 7 most insane 1,000 horsepower Chinese trucks America is actively banning, click the video on your screen right now. Subscribe so you do not miss the next one.